Friday afternoon, it never fails, does it, Rusty?
No, sir.
Look here, we got a broken water meter, 2-inch main. It's crucial to get it fixed because business is being lost. But we fixing to do it to it here. Is it the male adapter? There ain't gonna be a dry patch on our clothes when we get done. Is it broken? Is the male adapter broken at the threads?
Yes, that's where it's spraying from, right there.
So here's where the fitting was cracked. See that crack in the fitting? That's where it screws into the water meter. This is this guy's debut on the Walley Plumbing YouTube channel. Danny, California.
Don't get no better name than that.
Old DC.
I guess I can pull a measurement, huh?
The cameraman's got the tape.
Oh, that went over my shoelace right there, buddy.
And about 17 1/4.
17 1/4?
Coming right up.
I'm glad it wasn't this thing right here, this fire main. That would have been, if it was that fire main, that would have been a little bit later getting home. I sure did jinx this just now, didn't I?
Yes, you did. You already got your other measurement?
No.
Oh yeah.
What are you spraying for? Here's that 5 3/4. I don't look like 5.
You sure it wasn't 5 7/8? It's only about, what, 112 out here?
Yeah. Not too hot.
We got to put it back together though. We're just waiting for the glue to dry. About 30 minutes.